Question third. Determine if the point 1 pi 2 3 minus 2 minus 11 are collinear. A 1 pi is equal to x1 y1. B 2 3 is x2 y2. C is minus 2 minus 1 is x3 y3. Distance AB is equal to root x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. Root x2 is 2 minus x1 is 1 bracket square plus y2 is 3 minus y1 is 5 bracket square is equal to root 2 minus 1 square plus 3 minus 5 minus 2 square is equal to root 1 square 1 plus minus 2 square 5 is equal to root addition root 5. Distance BC is equal to root x3 minus x2 bracket square plus y3 minus y2 bracket square is equal to root x3 is minus 2 minus x2 is 2 bracket square plus y3 is minus 11 minus y2 is minus 3 bracket square is equal to root minus 2 minus 4 square plus minus 11 minus 3 minus 14 square is equal to root minus 4 square 16 plus root minus 14 square 256 is equal to root 272. Distance AC is equal to under root x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y3 minus y1 bracket square is equal to root x3 is minus 2 minus x1 is 1 bracket square plus y3 is minus 11 minus y1 is 5 bracket square minus 2 minus 1 minus 3 square minus 11 minus 5 minus 16 square is equal to minus 3 square 9 plus 16 square 256 is equal to root 265. Therefore, given points are not collinear.